guys, in this video we will see how to install Zenmap on Parrot OS 6.2, but the process is same on all Parrot OS versions. First verify whether we have Zenmap comes as pre-installed application or not. Menu, search for Zenmap. So open terminal, sudo apt install Zenmap -kbx. Hit enter. If you receive this error, then open any web browser. Then go to pkgs.org. Hit enter. Then search for Zenmap. Hit enter. Then see here, it is RPM, but we have to download the Debian SID. Now click on the first one, then go to download section, then copy this link, copy. Now duplicate, paste it, hit enter. Successfully downloaded. ls. See, we have to install this Zenmap Debian package. Sudo dpkg-i, then give the first 3 letters, then give the tab, hit enter. See, we got the error, but see here, we have installed Zenmap. Open it. See, we got the Zenmap. Okay. So type localhost. Then select that scan and click on scan. See, it is performing. Okay. Okay. So we successfully installed Zenmap, but install NDF also. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install Zenmap on Parrot OS by using .debian package. Okay. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.